This video is an introduction into energy. Our book defines energy as the ability to cause change. This tells us that anytime we see a change in nature, energy is required in order to make that change. For example, if you want to change the state of matter, which we'll learn about in more detail in a future unit, say from ice to liquid water, energy is required in order to make that change. Next, let's look at some types of energy. Energy comes in different types of forms. They include electrical, chemical, mechanical, thermal, and radiant. In these forms of energy, we can also identify two classes of energy, and they include kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is simply the energy in a moving object. It can also be determined as energy that's being used. Potential energy is energy that is stored. So when we look back at our examples from forms, a potential energy source for electrical would be a battery. A light bulb using an electrical source would be kinetic energy. It's being used. In chemicals, just like the food that we eat, that's energy stored. But when we convert that chemical storage into motion, then it's kinetic. In terms of thermal energy, we have stored such as the wood for the fire. And actually having a fire is kinetic energy, energy that's being used.